Howdy, folks. Welcome back to another episode of Stockman Original. I'm glad to have you here. I thought of a little trick that I could share with you guys that you might find interesting and maybe useful. It concerns making beads. What we're going to do is make a bead cutter. And with this bead cutter, you can make beads out of bone, ivory, horn, wood, I suppose. I'm not going to go on and on about it. It's pretty self-explanatory once you see what I'm doing. I'm going to start off with an old file. It's just a little jeweler's file. Nice hard steel. One of the nicest products Dremel makes is one of these cutoff wheels. There's, what do they say, 36 pieces in the package here, and that mounted on a little arbor like this, and you are in business. So without any further ado, I'm going to switch the camera around and show you what you do. Apologies, I have to have a fan going for this one. Dust is no good for anybody. So got the little cutoff wheel. Remember, this is hardened steel, file steel. And watch what it does. Try to take little bites, don't want to overheat it. Now this piece of steel here I'll save for a knife or chisel or something. Mark on it to the center. Okay. Sure you got glasses on when you're doing this. Oops. That's the downside on these things, is they're brittle. That's why they come in packages of 36. And they want to be as close to the same as possible. Now I'm going to bevel the cutting edge. So we don't need it all this long, right? So we're going to trim it off here. Got some knurling here. I'm going to just go above that. Yep. It goes another one. Even this little piece here is worth saving. Still tool steel, like a nice scrimshaw scribe. We'll give her a try. I'm going to swap it out for this hand piece. Okay. We'll try it out on a little piece of ivory here. See how we do. So you want this center spur longer so that you can be able to poke through the other side, which will then line you up. You have it. So I've got probably enough here to show you the next phase. I've taken a piece of brass wire here, melted a little glob on the end, makes like a little knot. String these guys on. See, they all got kind of a little seam right there at the waist where they meet. I can do without that for a bit. So there, a nice little string of beads. And some finer sandpaper. And then take the steel wool. Just rubbed a little bit of polishing compound on this piece of deer skin. And so there. Nice little string of beads. Wouldn't take long to make a necklace. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and all those things if you haven't already. It's a big help. Talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.